first Slovene Plasma Day, and it's great to see the interest in the area and extending internationally. We had many international participants, and yeah, I hope that out of this event also many collaborations will take place. As we just saw in the presentations, there's so many applications that come out of the plasma technology, which relate to, well, like 22 faculties at the University of Ljubljana, to so many companies in Slovenia. And our vision is to extend the use of this plasma technology to all these colleagues, to the companies to apply this and to have an impact, to make a change with society. That's our vision.
The Slovenian plasma technology can easily compete on international level with other countries, and I'm confident that there will be some big scientific cooperations with scientific institutions in Germany as well plasma technological companies. And I'm looking forward to work together with Slovenian personnel here. Thank you.
Plazemska tehnologija je v Sloveniji prisotna že več desetletij, tako na inštitutu Jožef Stefan, kjer raziskujemo plazemsko tehnologijo. Povezani smo tudi z različnimi slovenskimi podjetji, s katerimi tesno sodelujemo tako na evropskih kot ARRS projektih. Plazemsko tehnologijo redno uporabljajo v nekaj slovenskih podjetjih za aktivacijo površin, kot tudi za nanašanje polimerov, za zaščito, kot zaščitno prevleko. Pojavljajo pa se tudi zahteve v novih panogah, kot je na primer kmetijstvo in medicina.